This is Frank Burke with Dinosaur Rocketry, and I've got another upscale that I did here of a kit that I used to make that was based on the old Estes Space Transporter America kit with the wings upsized for glide. And this particular model uses a 4-inch lightweight BT-101 tubing and 9mm Depron control surfaces with some carbon spar reinforcing. It's about 6 feet tall and I think a 37-inch wingspan and weighs just under 32 ounces. Ready to fly using an Aerotech 29mm single-use longburn Super Thunder motor, which burns for about 17 seconds and should put it about 1,000 feet or a little more. And I'm using Elevon controls for roll and pitch, and we're going to give it a test flight. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.